Hey, long speed weeks for you, but ended up with a top 10. Congrats, my man.
Holla.
Hey, but while you're hollering, the story ain't about you, brother. It's about that 88. And honestly, the 88 escaping possible damage to their engine. We saw that piece of Bear Bond crash repair tape end up on the grill, coming with 2 to go. As a crew chief, what's going through your mind?
Depends on what temperature he's running. Okay, if these engines make peak power, let's just say, I can't give direct things, 240 degrees or less. So let's say if his engine, Matt, was running 210 at the time, and he gets that Bear Bond over the grill, it's just like taping up the front end. It actually reduces drag, and it could have been a benefit, as long as his engine didn't get too hot and loses horsepower.
Now, he tried to get it off, but you know that Bear Bond is very sticky. It's not coming off. So, really, were they in jeopardy of blowing that thing up?
Once again, depending on what temperature he was. Let's say if he was 240 or 250 at the time when the Bear Bond got on it, then that could have put his engine at 280, started blowing water, and could have gotten too hot, but for only 2 laps, Matt, nah, they could have powered through it.
All right, so all the stars align, but if this happens during the day, 1, 2 o'clock, different story?
Well, especially if you're in the pack. If you're in the pack, you're not getting that clean air in the nose like he had. So, if it's 1 o'clock, the temperature's a lot hotter, you get the Bear Bond in the nose, certainly, you can toast it.
How big is that opening on the front of these cars?
1 3/4 by 23, and it was big enough for Dale Jr. to win the 500.
Big enough for Dale Jr. to make the chase as well.